Welcome to Law Offices of Lal Varghese. We are located in Dallas, Texas. We can be contacted at our email address attyl@aol.com. We can also be contacted at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. Repeating, +1 972 556 1109. Please remember that we are 12 hours behind Indian time. The best time to call us is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Indian time from Monday through Friday. If you are unable to contact us during this period, you are welcome to send us an email and we will be happy to reply to your email. Also remember that we are unable to provide you case-specific legal advice under the laws in the United States of America. But we will be happy to reply to your general questions and concerns about your cases pending at National Visa Center, pending at US Immigration, and also pending at Mumbai consulate. In this episode, I'm going to discuss about a fraud alert. Couple of our clients and couple of our YouTube subscribers have contacted us that they have received emails and WhatsApp messages from an agency, especially in Mumbai, asking them to pay 20,000 rupees so that they a super fee, they can expedite your case and schedule your case for interview. This is absolutely a fake news, a fake information. Please fall not trap into this kind of fake news. There is absolutely no super fee, no expedited processing for I-130 petitions. Under the US immigration law, I-140 cases, employment-based cases, some I-360 cases are allowed to be processed expeditiously by paying a filing fee of $1,500, but no I-130 petitions. I-130 petition is the one filed by your US citizen spouse or parent or child or brother or sister to sponsor you for immigrant visa. The US Immigration is the agency which processes I-130 petitions. Once they process and approve your case, they will transfer the approved I-130 cases to National Visa Center for immigrant visa processing. National Visa Center is an agency under the Department of State, while the US Immigration is an agency under the Department of Homeland Security, like the PWD Department and Electricity Department under the state governments in India. They are entirely two different departments and two different agencies. So, some of our clients also and YouTube subscribers also contacted us that they received emails, WhatsApp messages about filing K3 petition. First of all, remember that K3 petition is only available when the I-130 petition is pending with the US Immigration. When US Immigration approves an I-130 petition and sends to National Visa Center for immigrant visa processing, it is no longer pending with the US Immigration. Hence, you cannot file a K3 petition while your case is pending at National Visa Center, especially a documentally qualified case waiting for scheduled to be interviewed. So the super fee, expedited processing and K3 visa petition processing are absolutely false information or wrong information intended to cheat people waiting for scheduling interview at Mumbai consulate. Remember, if your case is documentally qualified and waiting for interview at Mumbai consulate, you are waiting in line like a security checkpoint at the airport. You cannot force all the people in front of you, or you cannot push all the people in front of you and get ahead and do your security check. You are waiting in line. Why you are waiting in line? Because Mumbai consulate stopped normal visa interviews since March 2020 because of the COVID pandemic in India. The Mumbai consulate has not resumed normal immigrant visa processing again because of the COVID pandemic. The authority or the decision as to when to start the immigrant visa processing is given to the Mumbai consular officer. The National Visa Center or the Department of State or the US Embassy in New Delhi have no authority in making a decision under the rules at this time. So when the Mumbai consular officer makes a decision when to start normal visa interview processing, your case will be scheduled for interview. At this time, no one can predict when a case will be scheduled for interview at Mumbai consulate. So, the information spread by the agency at Mumbai that if you pay a super fee, you can obtain green card or immigrant visa fast is absolutely wrong. It is fraud. It is to cheat people waiting months and years for an interview to be scheduled at Mumbai consulate. Second thing, K3 petition filing. A K3 petition can be filed only when I-130 petition is pending at US immigration for processing. K3 visa started about 10 years ago when the I-130 petition was pending more than 2 years to be processed by US immigration. For the past 5 to 7 years, US immigration does not process K3 petition separately because they are telling that they don't have enough personnel to process K3 petition. So when they take the I-130 petition to be processed, if it is approvable, then they will approve the I-130 petition and they terminate the K3 visa petition because I-130 is no longer pending. So if an agency sends you an email or WhatsApp message that they can file K3 petition when an I-130 petition is no longer pending at US immigration, it's absolutely false and fraudulent information. You cannot file a K3 petition after your case is approved by the US immigration. There is no super fee to be paid and expedite your case. You can expedite your case only by filing an expediter request with the National Visa Center or the Mumbai consulate, depending on where your case is pending right now for interview. An expedite request under the Department of State rules can be submitted only if it is a life and death situation and certified by a US doctor. So if you submit an expedite request with the false frivolous information or false frivolous documents, the US Department of Rules say that your case visa can be delayed or your visa even can be denied for committing fraud. If you commit fraud, then it will end up a permanent bar for you to come to United States of America. There are cases in which spouses are living permanently in India and United States because of committing fraud. So please do not commit any fraud. Please do not fall into trap of the fraudulent information being spread by the agencies for super P payment and for K3 visa processing. If we have any questions or concerns, please contact us by email lal@aol.com, or you can contact us at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. And thank you for watching this episode, and thank you.